Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.